In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to Streamlabs OBS. If you want to trigger sound effects during your stream, Streamlabs OBS makes it pretty simple once everything is set up correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a sound effect as a media source. Make sure you can hear it properly, and then assign hotkeys so you can control it quickly while you're live. To begin, look at the Sources panel and click the plus icon. This is where you add new elements to your scene. From the list of source types, choose Media File. This option is used for audio or video files that you want Streamlabs OBS to play inside your scene. After that, click Add Source. You'll then have the option to name the source. Giving it a clear name can help if you plan to add multiple sound effects later, so you can easily tell them apart in your source list. Once you've named it, click Add Source again to continue. Now click Browse. This will open your computer's file window so you can locate the sound effect you want to use. Find the audio file you want, select it, and then click Open. Once the file has been added, click Close to exit that setup window. At this point, the sound effect has been added to your scene, but there's one more important adjustment to make if you want proper monitoring. In the mixer, find the media file you just added, then click the gear icon next to it. From the menu, choose Properties. In the Properties settings, look for Audio Monitoring and change it to Monitor and Output. This setting allows the audio to be heard through monitoring while also being sent to your stream or recording, which is useful when testing or performing live. Next, click Settings and then go to Hotkeys. In the Hotkeys section, click Scene to view the controls related to your current scene and its sources. Find the source you added and then enter a hotkey for Show and another hotkey for Hide. This gives you a fast way to trigger the visibility of the media source during your stream. Since the sound effect is attached to that source, using Show and Hide can help you control when it activates. When choosing hotkeys, try to pick key combinations that are easy to remember but unlikely to be pressed by accident while gaming or switching scenes. That will make your setup smoother and more reliable when you're live. And that's it. You've now added a sound effect to Streamlabs OBS, enabled monitoring, and set up hotkeys for quick control. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.